Welcome to our exploration of the Book of Malachi, the final piece of the Old Testament's prophetic puzzle. Imagine a dialogue where God passionately engages with his people about love, faith, and justice. That's Malachi chapters 1 to 4.
Starting with chapter 1, God declares his love for Israel, yet confronts their lack of honor and respect. "I have loved you," says the Lord, but the people question, "How have you loved us?" God contrasts his enduring love for Jacob with his rejection of Esau, establishing his unwavering commitment. As we move into chapter 2, it's a stern conversation with the priests who have failed to uphold the covenant. Their sacrifices have been defiled, a metaphor for half-hearted worship. God warns, "If you will not listen, I will send a curse upon you," emphasizing the importance of sincere devotion and authentic worship.
Chapter 3 shifts the focus to justice and the promise of a messenger to prepare the way. Here lies the famous verse, "Behold, I will send my messenger, and he shall prepare the way before me." This anticipates the coming of John the Baptist and ultimately Jesus, accentuating the pivotal role of divine intervention.
Finally, chapter 4 brings both warning and hope. God speaks about a day of reckoning, where the faithful will be healed with the Sun of Righteousness rising, but the arrogant and evildoers will be stubble. The closing lines urge towards remembrance of the law and anticipate the coming of Elijah, a bridge to the New Testament.
Throughout Malachi, the recurring themes of divine love, justice, and the anticipation of redemption vividly unfold. It's an invitation to reflect on our worship and prepare our hearts for what's next. So join us on this divine dialogue and let's delve deeper into these timeless truths together.